Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to customize a chat widget in LiveChat. All right, so first up, I'll log into your LiveChat account. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, just go to the left panel. Now click on Settings, okay, right here at the bottom left. Click on it. Now, once done, under here, under a website widget, you will have this drop down. Okay, just basically click on Customization. Now, once done, here you have your chat widget customization area. And in the right panel, here we have the preview. And by the way, you can go ahead and test it out if you want to. Okay, so first up, under here, customize widget on website. First up, you'll need to type in the website address. If not, you can just go ahead and use the default website right here given by LiveChat, and just do make sure that you have the upgraded version of LiveChat. Now, let's move on to the appearance section. You can click on it, and then here you can go ahead and make it like a bubble. If you minimize the chat right here when you click on this button, as you can see, that is a bubble, a bar right here. There you go, which looks similar to Facebook Messenger. Okay, I would like it to be a bubble. Now, theme colors, be light or dark, like so. It's up to you, okay? The chat background, if you want to, or the theme color itself, you can go ahead and change the color as well. Like that, green, depending on what your website looks like, okay? Orange or pink. You could also choose more color settings, like for the bubble, you can change it to blue if you want to, or the maximized widget, it's black. As you can see here, I'm going to change it to green, like so, green as well, like that. All right. And once that's done, let's move on to position right here. Widget position, align to right or align to the left of the website. Okay. You have the side spacing as well and the bottom spacing. Okay. Move it left or move it at the top even more. And the visibility right here, if you want to, you can hide the widget until it gets activated. Okay. Now it will get activated once a chat is started. The widget will appear and remain visible. Or maybe always hide minimized widget icon. Okay. I'm just going to keep it to chat widget is always visible, like so. So when someone clicks on it, it will just pop up. Okay. Now, mobile chat widget, you can go ahead and change the option here as well. It could be same as on desktop or custom for mobile devices. Okay. You will have these set of options as well. Now you have additional tweaks right here. You know, like you can go ahead and show your logo. Okay. Let's pop this out. Let's go ahead and upload our channel logo right here. This photo right here is set to 4K and it cannot be handled by LiveChat. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and crop this out like so, and then hit on save as copy. I'm going to save it on my desktop like so. Now I'm going to go ahead and upload again. Desktop, there you go, open. As you can see, that is now changed. If it seems stuck, it doesn't change. You can just go ahead and minimize. Now tap on the chat box again. Okay. There you go. Now, show agent's photo, you can go ahead and enable that. Here we have the agent photo. You can disable that as well, like so. Okay, test it out again. There you go. Enable sound, let customer rate agents, let customers get chat transcript, or remove this LiveChat widget right here, or widget label. Enable it. But make sure again that you have the upgraded version. Now, once you're happy with that, you can now then go ahead and click on Save Changes, and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.